Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany and welcome to a super fun Summerween party. I'm so glad you're here. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we go any further in today's video, I have to go ahead and take a second to thank our sponsor, Quince. I'm always looking for ways to make our home feel more intentional and elevated, and I've been updating spaces in our home with items from Quince's home collection. I recently added the Marlowe gingham rug to our front porch, and it completely changed the look of our space in the best way. The timeless gingham pattern felt classic without being trendy, and the quality is genuinely beautiful. It feels durable, well-made, and like something that's going to last for a long time. It definitely elevated my home right from the get-go. That's honestly what stands out to me the most about Quince in general. They focus on premium materials and quality design instead of chasing trends, and you can really feel the difference when your pieces arrive. I also recently updated my bedding with Quince, and everything just fits so naturally. The fabrics feel incredibly high quality. The details are beautiful, and everything just gives that calm, elevated feeling that I love in my home. I really appreciate that Quince uses premium materials like 100% European linen and 100% organic cotton. You think these things don't make a difference until you actually feel the difference for yourself, and the proof is in the quality of the products. I'm at a point where I would prefer to invest in quality home pieces that are built to last, and Quince really aligns with that mindset for me. If you want to refresh your home with beautiful, high quality pieces, definitely look into Quince. They offer 365-day free shipping and returns, which makes trying pieces in your home super easy. You can scan the QR code here on the screen or use the link at the very top of my description box to get started. And thank you again to Quince for sponsoring today's video. So if you've never heard of the term Summerween, I'm here to educate you a little. If you are a Halloween fan, which we are here in my house, we are giant Halloween fans. It's our favorite holiday. Summerween is where you celebrate Halloween, but in the middle of the summer. And we are rounding out June very quickly here. And I decided as something fun for us to do, we've never done this before, we would celebrate a night of Summerween. So in today's video, and in today, like this is really happening for my family, we are going to decorate the living room for Halloween. We're going to, luckily I have ridiculous amounts of Halloween decor. We are going to make a Halloween themed dinner, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. And we're also gonna make some like spooky treats, some Halloween themed treats, and then tonight we're going to watch a Halloween themed movie or show. Thinking we're gonna watch a Halloween themed show. I actually think we're gonna watch Ghost Hunters, and we're gonna look for an episode where they're here in New England, an episode or two. If you've never watched Ghost Hunters, it's super fun if you like that kind of stuff. If you like that kind of stuff, guaranteed you've already seen it, but that is what we're gonna do. So here in my office right now, and I am actually going to make myself a little grocery list because we are going to head to the store to get things for dinner. Now, I have seen people do Summerween huge, and I've seen people do Summerween small. We're gonna do it like small, baby medium. You know what I mean? I've seen people do like block parties, pool parties. If I had the equipment to do an outside movie, I would love to do like us floating in the pool and doing like a movie outside. But I think we're gonna have to save that for next summer. It's not something that I'm prepared to do this summer. Also, totally broke a nail this morning while I was working out, so that's a bummer. But for our menu, I'm gonna go ahead and write out our menu. We are going to do cheeseburgers that are going to have a jack-o'-lantern face in the cheese. We are also going to do French fries, which are just going to be boring, with ketchup. I thought about putting the ketchup all over them so that they were like spooky-ish, but not everybody likes to put ketchup on their French fries in this house. We also need to get clear cups, vanilla ice cream, and we need to get orange soda because we're going to do floats and that look like little jack-o'-lanterns, which is so fun. We also need to get a watermelon because I am going to carve the watermelon like a jack-o'-lantern. I think that is everything. I think that's everything. We might get like, some cookies or something that we can make. We'll look for another little dessert, but that is what we're going to make today. So in today's video, we're going to decorate, we're going to make the food, and then I'll show you a glimpse into our actual Summerween night tonight. So glad you guys are here, and let's go ahead and head to the store so we can get started. Okay, we're back from the store and I just went downstairs and grabbed a couple of my Halloween bins. Literally just grabbed 2 that I could see immediately. Also grabbed my little ghost guy here that I can plug in, a couple of bigger pieces and some lights. So we're gonna go ahead and get this living room set up for movie night. Okay, my friends, we're going to go ahead and get started by decorating the family room. Like I mentioned, most items here are, things that every item here is an item that I have collected over the years for my Halloween collection. We love Halloween in this house. I have so many Halloween decor items. It's unbelievable. In fact, I really need to edit out my Halloween bins because there really are a lot of things that I haven't used in several years, but I just love them. They all have memories. I've used them at parties and it's hard for me to part with them, but I really, really need to. So I'm not really going to get into where every single item is from simply because that's not what this video is about. And honestly, I don't even know what's available anymore, but we will be rapidly moving into that, before you know it. Let's not rush it. I also did want to mention my outfit today. Both my shirt and my shorts are from Amazon. That shirt is a shirt that has popped up on my For You page on Instagram for weeks and weeks and weeks. And it is this beautiful butterfly shirt. And I love it so very much. It is cropped, but you really only notice that when my arms are up, which we're not really walking around with our arms up. My arms are up while I'm decorating, but that's not like how we're walking around all day long. So don't panic about that part, but I will link both items for you. I absolutely love this shirt. Normally I would wear it with a denim, bottom that isn't black, but for the sake of today, for the sake of Summerween, we are fully leaning in and going all black, and I am here for it. I have an alternative ego, which I call Naomi. That is my love of metal music, of alternative music, of tattoos, of all things Halloween and spooky. She is my alter ego, and she likes the color black. So absolutely love this outfit today. I will link it for you down below if you are in need of some fun black items. But I love how all of this decor turned out. It was such a fun little event. My kids loved it. And like I said, Danny also loved it. Maybe I didn't mention that in this video. I think I mentioned that in Sunday's reset, but he absolutely loved it. The next morning, he just kept talking about what a fun memory that was, and the kids will remember it. And my kids, one of their favorite memories of all time is where I created a movie theater at home during COVID when we were all on lockdown, and I put lights everywhere, created a concession stand, made tickets for everybody. It was so fun, and my kids love that, and they talk about it all the time. So just trying to create little moments that really don't cost, very much at all. This was the cost of food only. It's really, really great. And to listen to my kids reminisce on those things, even when they're, bigger. My youngest is 10. My oldest is 19, and she loved it just as much as my 10-year-old. So it's so fun to be able to create little moments like this for my children. As for any of the decor that I'm using today, anything that I can link, I will link for you down below, like these jack-o'-lantern lights. These are from Amazon. I do believe that they're still available, and I will link them for you. I know that there are so many stores right now putting out fall decor, and while I love it, I'm here for it. I love fall. I love Halloween. Summer is my favorite season, not holiday, season. But it's the season that gets cut the shortest, and I do not understand. I know the love for fall is strong. It's real. I get it. I love it too, especially living here in New England. But I love summer, and I just absolutely cannot stand how short summer gets cut because we are such in a rush to move on to
fall. I was talking about this last night with my friends, and we were talking about how if you live someplace that's warm and that gets hot very quickly, like in the spring, I could understand looking forward to fall because it feels like you have summer for a really long time. But for us here in New England, summer really is the true summer season. So I am not in a hurry to rush anything. So all of that said, I'll link anything that I can for you down in the comments or down in the description box, but we are not trying to rush. I will be sharing fall things with you and Halloween things with you since all the stores are putting those things out, but that's simply so that you know what's out there, not because I'll be ready to decorate anytime soon. I'm now going to put some jack-o'-lantern faces on some paper bags right now. This was actually Danny's idea. We're going to put popcorn in this while we're watching our TV show. And if you notice there, we've got our jack-o'-lantern watermelon. Danny did cut that off screen for me or off camera for me. And it's adorable. The kids absolutely loved it. And that was probably one of the best watermelons we've eaten. It was absolutely delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate these cute little paper bags. I did decorate 2 of them, and then I gave them to the kids to decorate the rest of them. And that worked out great. They're really, really cute. This is so easy and simple, and you could do this for any Halloween party. Doesn't have to be Summerween. This would be great though for just a regular, movie night in October. Next up, we're going to decorate these little plastic cups as well. I'm just putting a jack-o'-lantern face on these as well. We're going to use these later to make some orange creamsicle floats that are perfect for our Summerween theme. Lastly, we are going to be making some jack-o'-lantern cheese slices for our cheeseburgers. Now, these were a little time-consuming, but the payoff was so worth it. You're going to have to stay tuned for the end to see how these turned out. These were adorable, and I feel like we have to do these at every Halloween party now because they were so cute. I don't know if I could do like a mass amount of these because they were time consuming. I literally used this paring knife to hand cut a jack-o'-lantern face in 8 pieces of cheese. So you can imagine that was pretty time consuming as you're seeing here, and this is edited, but it was worth it. The payoff was great. Stay tuned to see how cute these turn out. Now that it was finally getting darker, I'm going to go ahead and turn on all the lights. Now, these lights here are going to look like they are blinking, but they're not. I have them on steady. That's just what happens with the camera. But I walked around the house. I turned on all of our lights. I had our fun little outdoor ghost lights. pointed up to the ceiling, and that was really, really fun. Turned on jack-o'-lantern lights, and it started to storm. You guys, it was perfect. I'm going to take you outside and show you the beautiful rain, but it just really set the scene for our movie night. It was perfect. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and get ready to eat. I grabbed those barbecue trays that I just picked up at Target. I showed these to you in my last summer haul, my summer shop with me. And this is now the second time we're using them already. I took them with us to the beach. We used them for our sandwiches. Now we're using them for dinner, and they are so perfect. But you guys, check out our cheeseburgers. Are these not everything? They turned out way better than I even imagined. They are so perfect, and they look great in our little baskets. So thank you guys so much for joining us in today's video. We had such a fun night with our Summerween. We're gonna go ahead and make our dessert. We've got our great little orange creamsicle floats. I gave everybody their movie ticket that we printed a couple of weeks ago for a different movie, and now we use them. We try to use them once a week, so we used them for our Summerween night, and we all got cuddled up on the couch where we could watch I think we ended up watching Ghost Hunters, and it was so fun. Got popcorn made for everybody in our fun little bags here, and it was a really, really great night. Such a fun idea. If you've got kids at home who love Halloween, I highly recommend doing this one as well. Thank you guys for joining us. If you aren't subscribed, get subscribed. I'd love to see you again, and have a beautiful day, my friends. We'll see you soon.